everybody, my name is Jen Jones. The new dance is Nothin Sweeter for the song Nothin Sweeter by TobyMac. Gail Dobosz is here to help me demo and teach it. Here we go. First section is a rocking chair and step points. Forward and back and step point, step point. Second section is turning jazz box, step, set, hold, click. Up, back, over, in, step, set, hold, snap. Third section is rock cross and rock quarter turn cross. So it's rock, recover, cross, snap, rock quarter turn and step, snap. The last section is a wizard. So it is side behind, side behind, side, touch, snap with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have a tag and we have a restart. The tag is we will be facing 9 o'clock. We will do the first section, so it's forward and back and step, point, turning jazz, up, back, over, in, step, set, hold, snap. Now you're going to add 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start the dance over again. The restart is on the back wall, and it is just a full restart on the back wall. So we're going to turn this off now, and we will demo it.